One of the best ways to capture fantastic video with your phone that doesn't look like it was captured with your phone is to use an anamorphic lens. This little black box of joy with rounded corners is Reflex's 1.33 Pro Series anamorphic lens. Just screw it onto your phone via Reflex's case and you're all set. A cinema-style widescreen aspect ratio and unmissable killer flares now await you when you tap record. The Pro Series 1.33 achieves this widescreen aspect ratio by taking the edges of the frame that would usually be cut off and squeezing them onto the sensor. Then you can either shoot in an app that de-squeezes the footage for you, or you can de-squeeze it yourself later by changing the Y-axis. And this squeeze de-squeezing means you don't lose the top and bottom parts of the frame like you do when you add black bars. A lot of feature films are shot with anamorphic glass, and one of the ways you can tell is with flares like these. Anamorphic lenses are famous for them, and the Reflex 1.33 is no different. Point it at or near a direct light source and watch those blue flares streak across the frame. Flare-tastic. It almost feels like I'm cheating with the Reflex 1.33 anamorphic Pro Series and my gimbal. I'm just stood here with my hand in my pocket, just capturing this amazing footage with these flares, putting no effort in whatsoever. Finally, it looks cool. And you know what they say, if your lens looks good, then your footage will look good.